Once you have your Ikonart kit, you need artwork to start making stencils. Of course, you can design your own, but if you're not sure where to get started, the kit now comes with $275 worth of free artwork from Creative Meadow. This includes a starter bundle with 50 designs that we hand selected, and it also includes a $125 credit to the website so that you can pick any design you want. Creative Meadow is a great website that has a wide selection of artwork available for download, and all the artwork is already set up in black and white, so it's ready to start making stencils right away. You can search by category or just type what you're looking for in the search bar. It's a very user-friendly website, and the back of the card has a QR code, so you can just scan that and go right to the website. Otherwise, it's just creativemeadow.com/iconics, and that's where you'll be able to use your specific code that comes on your card to download your free artwork and to use your credit. We're getting ready for our Christmas in July special right now, so I'm going to download some Christmas-themed artwork, and then I just adjust it in Vectr, and I'll link the playlist below that shows all the different tutorials on how to use Vectr to adjust and resize and print your artwork. But I'm just going to quickly adjust my artwork in Vectr, print it, and of course make my stencils like normal. And I love how much detail these designs have and how easy they are to work with. And once my stencils are completely dry and post-exposed, then I'm ready to use them. I'm using these adorable designs today to make some Christmas mugs, but Creative Meadow has a wide variety of artwork for any interest, any holiday, any topic that you're looking for. So if you purchased your Ikonart kit prior to March of 2024, you have the So Fancy gift cards in your kit, and we have a separate video for that. And if you purchased your kit after March of 2024, then you will have the Creative Meadow gift voucher in your kit that is valued at $275. If you have any questions at all on how to use this card, please let us know in the comments below.